Well, a couple of nice days on the horizon, all thanks to a high pressure system moving down from Canada. One, clearing out the skies. Two, bringing in a nice northwesterly breeze. And three, actually keeping our temperatures a little bit on the lower side. Now, granted, we're still going to be in the 80s, but it's a different air mass that's moving on down. And so that's actually going to keep our temperatures a little bit below what the average is for this time of year. All right, taking a look across the board right now, what we are seeing is there's a good, healthy amount of sky clearing going on, all thanks to that high pressure system sticking around in our general region. Very few clouds sticking around that southern edge, and today can't really ask for better weather than this. Light winds, nice high pressure system, and nothing to worry about. No rain over the past couple of days, all thanks to those clear skies, and temperatures only into those low to mid 80s across the region. Aberdeen did see a little bit higher where they got excess sun as well, and a little bit of a lighter wind as hoping to influence those temperatures. But as we start to plan ahead over these next couple of days, basically this low pressure system drops off to the south and east, and that is going to move in that little bit of a reduced air mass, that high pressure system moving through our general region. Then for Tuesday, still staying relatively dry. There is the slightest of chance for precipitation, all thanks to that warm front that begins to move in off of the west coast then. And that is going to be driving in plenty of moisture into our general region as well. And that's going to increase our chances once we plan ahead for Wednesday. So we're giving you an idea locally of what to expect. For the most part, Monday is going to be very nice and very sunny. Tuesday, similar story once again, with just the slightest of opportunities. I'm talking maybe a 5% chance of seeing actual precipitation with that. Winds as well will be switching out the northwest and right around that 5 to 10 mile an hour region, but we could see a couple of peaks up to about 15 miles an hour. Now, for the most part, there goes that high pressure system, then that's going to turn our winds light and variable once we plan ahead into Tuesday ahead of that incoming warm front. Tonight, just a couple of fair weather clouds will be around 63 degrees is going to be the low, and light winds as well. For tomorrow, nice and sunny, 80 degrees is going to be the high, and those temperatures definitely feeling a little bit lower than what we're used to, considering we've had, a couple of streaks of upper 80s. All right, over the week ahead, Wednesday is when we're expecting those thunderstorms, thanks to that warm front and that pool of moisture moving on in. Thursday, get a brief little bit of a break, but then Friday through Sunday, those potentials are there once again, along with the increase in the dew point, and that's really going to make it feel stickier outside as we're talking dew points back in those mid, maybe upper 60s by the end of the week. All right, meteorologist Connor Askwich, Watertown Weather Watch forecast. Thank you much for joining me, and have a wonderful work week.